Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to see your bin or your deleted files in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. Well, as you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I'm signed in into my freshly created brand new account only for these videos. Okay, what you want to do is click on these three lines. If you have any deleted files which you want to recover, click on these three lines at the top left corner of your phone. And here you have an option called bin. It's a little trash icon. Click on that and here will appear all of your deleted files or the files that are put into the bin. I don't have any currently here yet because as I said, this account is brand new, but if you have any, they will all appear here. I can guarantee you that. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.